maka-mix siya sa humor, ganun. So, I'm looking forward. Surprise me, Gia.
May mga surprise sa kanila.
Surprise! Surprise ko.
Thank you. And then, kay Jairus na lang. Yeah, it's nice that you're here. Parang nasipag mo ka. Kailan lang nung sa All-Star Games, how are you naman? If you don't mind sharing na, I think you hurt your leg. Are you doing better? Nothing's it. For the fans who are worried about you, how are you?
Actually, with the legs, feeling a bit better naman na. It's just severe cramps, pero sobrang severe niya. Both of the legs are cramping talaga that time. As in, it started from the calves going up to the very hang of my body na talaga. So it just needs recovery and rehab. So I'm visiting my PT. Tapos, actually entering the game, I have fractured disc na talaga. So I'm not 100% healthy talaga when before ASG, All-Star Games talaga. So makikita talaga nun sa training yung difference nung improvement ng kamay ko, but still it's fractured, so eventually I have to get it operated also. So yeah, so far okay naman, pero yeah, still a tough loss.
Yeah.
More than the legs, still a tough loss.
Grabe, palaban ka pa rin.
Yeah, I was trying to play for Lance talaga, honestly, and for my family who's watching, pero more than that, I wanted to give the Viva One family a win. So is Lance, hindi masayang yung extra effort na ever since and that day itself.
Thank you. Pero enjoy pa rin naman yung
Yeah,
game.
enjoy. The crowd, especially the fans who was out there supporting us. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa kanila kasi talaga todo yung supporta nila. Every shot talaga nagsisigawan sila. So very happy. It was a surreal experience and we want a rematch. We definitely want a rematch.
Thank you. Tito Jun, ikaw.
Bawi tayo, Bert.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Anna Cereza, for that wonderful questions, and thank you so much for answering them. Next up is Mr. Von Bernal.
Hi everyone, congratulations. Yung question ko ay para sa Will Bea. Ayan, Will Bea. Siyempre yung Thai original nito ay sila Mario at saka si Davika. So, kumusta kayo? Napanood nyo ba yung original, yung Thai original version? And how did you incorporate your own style as Will Bea dito sa local adaptation natin ng PMAC?
Ako po nagpapanood ko po siya way back pa talaga, 2004 ba? 4 ba lumabas mismo? High school pa po ako. And pinanood ko po siya ulit, panood niya din ulit. Ano, first time ako panood, no?
High school ka, 2004?
Hindi, kasi pinanood natin ulit.
Oo.
So, paano ako panood niya?
So magkasama kayo ng nanood kayo?
Hindi sa... Sa main play.
Full
1, 2, 3.
Ay.
Okay.
So, yun, sa akin naman po, parang very Will Bea na kasi yung from Ziso to Love You Lots, yung parang yearning ng male lead sa female lead. So parang yearner. So parang I think lalabas at lalabas talaga doon yung the usual Will Bea na trope na nakikita nila sa mga projects namin. And siguro dito mas mas medyo lutang yung, di ba? Mas siya, mas poppy pa yung feeling. Mas Labrador energy pa yung nilalabas ni Mac.
Siyempre ito, one of the highest grossing films ng Thailand noong late 2000s. May pressure ba on your part? Kayo ang gaganap ng local Mario and Davika?
Siyempre po, kasi kahit naman hindi adaptation, kahit anong bagong proyekto, there's always pressure kasi wala ka naman talagang kasiguraduhan di ba? Parang hanggat hindi pa napapanood, hanggat hindi mo naririnig yung feedback ng supporters, ng viewers, the pressure will always be there. Especially doing this project na it's the highest grossing Thai film. And other countries did an adaptation as well, di ba? And the fact na meron po akong mga kaibigang Thai, may message ako, you're doing PMAC. So, ibig sabihin, the fact na nakakarating sa kanila, na gagawin natin yung isa sa mga pinakasikat at top grossing film nila, di ba? The pressure will always be there. But aside from the pressure, siguro po yung excitement at as well as yung gratefulness to Viva for trusting us and for giving us the chance to be part of this very exciting project na talagang it's an honor to be part of this project and be working with these incredible people. example, di ba? And syempre, we just hope for the best, of course. And we also want, of course, to make our country proud, di ba? We also want na, since it's the highest grossing Thai film of all time, we also want the Philippine version to receive so much love. And yung talagang mainit na pagsuporta rin po. Ayun po.
Excited na.
Thank you
Congratulations
po. Salamat
everyone.
po.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Von, for that question. Following with Mr. June Lalin from Abante.
Yes, hi. Siyempre, nung unang i-announce yung PMAC, no, days ago, sa posting, ang dami na-excite ang mga fans. Siyempre, tuwan-tuwa ang mga fans ni Bea and Wilbert. Kasi napakalakas, di ba? Kahit naman yung Viva One series niya, di ba? Pero, upon learning na this is really a box office hit, hindi ba nakaka-pressure sa inyo yun? Hindi ba kayo nape-pressure? Kasi what I heard is naka $33 million daw to worldwide nung ipalabas nung 2013.
Sabi po kagaya po na sabi ni Bea na definitely po may pressure po talaga. Since meron na siyang may specific na siya na parang naabot talaga. Pero then, kahit may pressure, gusto pa din namin i-enjoy yung mismo paggawa ng film at talagang gawin lang yung best namin, ilagay yung flavor namin as actors at mismo yung pagiging Pinoy na lumabas talaga dito sa PMAC na Philippine adaptation na talagang pag napanood ng mga kapwa Pinoy, parang mapapasabi na parang makaka-relate sila na, wait, dito sa Pilipinas yan, ay, familiar yan, so parang ganun pa. So, may pressure definitely, but gagawin naman yung best po namin.
Bea, ikaw, you expect na, kasi yung PMAC nga ng Thai, pinalabas worldwide, kaya ganun kalaki yung kita, no? Kayo, nag-expect din kayo na sana mapalabas din siya sa iba't ibang countries, especially dito sa Asia.
Tito June, syempre, we hope, di ba po, if magkaroon ng opportunity, if ganun yung gustong trajectory ng Viva, it would be an honor. Sana nga kasama kami, kung ipapalabas man di ba? Sana kasama kami sa mga screenings. But we can only do so much dito Basta kami po, rest assured, isa po itong proyekto na lahat nagbigay ng effort, ng teamwork, ng pagmamahal sa craft. And that's it. I think yun lang po yung pwede naming magawa bukod sa kesa sa ma-overwhelmed kami sa pressure at sa expectations ng mga tao. Parang I think we have to give it to the fans and everyone to nasa sa kanila na po kung isusupport nila. And kung isusupport nila, we would be very much grateful kasi we're sure that we will do our best na isa po itong proyektong pinaghandaan at gagawin namin ang lahat para ito ay isang maging proyekto na magiging proud ang bawat Pilipino.
Yeah, very well said,
Thank you,
Bea.
Tito.
Magaling mo talagang sumagot. But,
Wag lang pumat.
Pero knowing Viva naman, proven and tested na sila even with the Pinoy adaptation of Miracle in Cell number 7 na naging top grosser pa sa Film Fest, di ba? Pero yun nga, kayong dalawa, grabe kayong mahalin ng fans, no? Pag wala, hindi nyo kasama ang isa't isa, hinahanap talaga. Bea, bakit wala ka doon nung second night ng concert ni Wilbert? Kasi nandun kami, grabe yung people are expecting the
Tito,
fans
nung first day, nandun ka ba? Wala ka,
syempre,
andun
sayang
ako.
Hindi ko napakinggan yung urong sulong. Ang ganda pa ng version nyo daw. Oo, nag-trending kayo.
Kasi dito, yung urong sulong na yon, ano po yun, kanta ko siya dati. Kung hindi niyo po alam, way back when I was mga 13, 14, signed po ako sa Poly East Records. Meron po akong album.
Yeah, oo nga.
Charot.
Nakatanggap ako noon.
Yes.
Binigyan mo ako, di ba?
So nagkaroon po ako ng album. Tapos after a long time, parang matagal ko siyang hindi naramdaman. Like matagal hindi naramdaman. And then sabi niya nung magko-concert siya, na yung guest niya daw ang gusto niyang gawin yung urong sulong. So yun yung naging yun yung naging production number namin.
Oh, pero
Ayun.
bakit wala ka ng second night?
Tito, kasi may mga kailangan lang din po akong gawin. Pero alam naman po niya yon na I was there in spirit. And Tito, it's his night. Kahit po, ang sa akin po ha, kahit love team po kami, hello? Kahit po love team kami, it's not a Wilbea concert, Tito June. It's Wilbert's concert, and every time, every single promo that they did, it was really Wilbert's first solo concert. It's not a Wilbea concert. So, 'di ba? And ako po nandun ako, nandun ako in spirit kahit wala po ako doon, and he knows that wherever he is, wherever I am, I'm always behind him, I'm always supporting him. And syempre, hindi naman, may mga bagay naman na we should let someone shine, di ba? And then that night, it's his night. It's not about me, it's not about the love team, it's not, sabi ko nga, it's not even about the guests. It's about him. And it's something na talagang sobrang proud po ako sa kanya.
Pero ang bongga, no? Yung lakas niyong dalawa, picture mo palang pinapakita dun sa mga LED,